Hey everyone, it's Ryan with your latest Web Tip Wednesday. If you hate creating new, strong passwords every time you sign up for something, this news will make your day. Microsoft, Apple, and Google have joined forces in a mission to kill the password for good. 81% of all data breaches come down to weak or stolen passwords. So instead, they're looking at using something called a passkey. It's very simple. To log in, you'll use your phone to prove it's really you. Your computer will use Bluetooth to verify that you're sitting nearby. Because Bluetooth only works from a short distance, this should be a very effective security measure. You'll then receive a verification message to your phone, and then you'll unlock your phone the usual way, whether that's Face ID, fingerprint, or a PIN. And that's it. You're logged in. You'll start to see some services offering a passkey option in the next 12 months. Maybe one day all logins will be this simple. In the meantime, if you'd like help making your passwords easier and safer for your team, get in touch. That's your Web Tip Wednesday. More next week.